Hey guys, so we're looking at aggregate operations for lists, and the first one would be any. So think of any as of if this has any of this, it's true. So it equals 4. So it refers to a single index value on the list. So if any value in this list has 4 in it, it's true. But this doesn't have 12 in it, so that's false. The all one is very similar, except it has to be all of them. So if it divided by 2 equals 6, equals 6, there's none of them that equals 6. But if we do 5, that's still false because not all of them equal 5 in that case. You can do something like it equals it. That's all of them are that. Then we have filter. What filter does is say we want only items that, if they're divided by 2, equal their I should just do any item that is greater than 5. So this will give us another list. Oops, that's Java. Let's just do that. Yep. So now we have another list, and I can prove that by just doing. There we go. Now we have a list of only 6 through 10. Okay, now filter not null. So we can do filter not null, and we'll get a list without any nulls. So we can have, say we have a name list, right? We have a null. This will actually just give us this. It would just drop the null and give us everything but the nulls. Next one is count. So this one is going to give us an integer of how many this is true. So if we put it's modulus 2 equals 1, well, we're going to get a few here. We're going to get 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we're going to get all the evens. So that counts to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would equal 5. Now we have for each indexed. What this is going to do, let me change this, is pretty much a for loop, but it's a fancy for loop with the index built into it for you. So we can do something like, oops. Why is that not working? There we go, wasn't capitalized. Not supposed to be capitalized. So we can get both the index and the value without putting for, I equals 0, I greater than, I less than length, or whatever. This does that for you a lot easier. It gives you, it's pretty much a for each that gives you an index. And we have max and min. So this is just going to give us the min value. So if we do it here, we just move these around so they're not really in order. So max is going to give us 10, and min is going to give us 1. Just going to give us a max and min of the list. Very simple, but very helpful at a lot of times. And that's all to aggregate operations. There are more, but these I feel like are the most useful and what I use a lot.